Welcome back to the InfoFlex. In today's video, we are going to take your IoT project to the next level by learning how to request sensor data from a DHT temperature and humidity sensor. Display it on 16 x 2 I2C LCD and send the data via SMS using the GSM SIM900A module with it Arduino. We will require the following components for this project. Arduino Uno, SIM900A GSM module for sending and receiving messages, a DHT11 sensor for measuring temperature and humidity, 16 x 2 I2C LCD, and jumper wires. Breadboard. The DHT sensor will be our environmental eyes. The SIM900A will give our Arduino the ability to communicate over the mobile network, and the I2C LCD will provide a local display of the temperature and humidity. The I2C interface makes connecting the LCD much simpler, as it only requires two data lines. This setup is perfect for remote environmental monitoring. If the area has no Wi-Fi, GSM takes care of sending the data via SMS. The DHT11 has 3 pins: VCC, ground and data. Connect the VCC to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino, ground to ground, and the data pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Next, we connect the SIM900A module. The module will communicate with the Arduino over serial communication. Connect the module TX pin to the Arduino digital pin 7 and the module RX pin to Arduino digital pin 8. Connect VCC to 5-volt and ground to ground. Next, connect the 16 x 2 LCD. Connect the VCC pin to 5-volt pin on the Arduino. Connect the ground pin to the Arduino ground pin. Connect the SDA pin to A4 pin on the Arduino and SCL pin to A5 pin on the Arduino. Now let's dive into the code. We will also need a couple of libraries. The DHT sensor library by Adafruit and the liquid crystal I2C library. You can easily install these through the Arduino library manager and the software serial.h library for the GSM communication. We will define the DHT pin and type. In our case, it is DHT11 connected to pin 2. For the GSM module, we will set up a software serial on pin 7 and 8. Inside the setup function, we will initialize the serial communication and the DHT sensor. Now to request the data, we will write a function that waits for incoming SMS. When it receives the keyword DHT, the Arduino reads the temperature and humidity from DHT sensor and send the value back via SMS. The send SMS function formats the sensor data into string and sends it to the requested number. And that's it. Every time you send an SMS with DHT to your SIM900A, you will receive a reply with the temperature and humidity values. Also, the temperature value exceed from 35, SMS will be sent to the request number. Let's test it. As you can see, the temperature and humidity are displayed on the LCD. Now I am going to send a message saying DHT to the number associated with the SIM900A module. And there it is. We have successfully received the temperature and humidity from the DHT11 sensor via SMS. Now I am increasing the temperature by burning a matchstick. When the temperature exceeded from 35 degrees Celsius, we will receive a message, temperature exceeded. This project has a lot of potential application. You could use it to monitor condition in a greenhouse, a server room, or even your home while you are away. The SMS alerts provide a convenient way to stay informed about critical changes in the environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the InfoFlux for more fun IoT projects like this. If you have any questions, drop them in comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.